Okay, bro. All right, bro. So we're talking about polarized lenses, and polarized lenses are like if you have regular glasses, they're gonna allow light waves of all orientations through. All right, what I'm talking about here is your light waves are kind of like this sound foam panel. You know, you got crests and troughs, crests and troughs. But when they're coming at you in the air, unpolarized, they could be waving up and down like this. They could be coming at you waving left and right like this. All kinds of diagonal, all kinds of angles. So the wave could be, they're all coming at you. They're moving forward into your eyes. But some of them are like, and some of them are like, right? They're waving in all kinds of directions. They're unpolarized. Now, when you're polarized, you know, we all talk about, what I tell my students is polarized is like right now in the political climate. It's very polarized, one side or the other, one way or the other. If you're unpolarized, you're not one way or the other. The light is unpolarized. It's waving all kinds of different directions. So what polarized lenses are going to do is they are going to essentially put a grating like a comb. That's what this thing is, a comb in the lens, right? And so what that grating is going to do is it's going to force some waves to not be able to get through. So let me demonstrate with a couple of pieces of paper. These are going to represent light waves. So here's Superman, and here's Superman. All right. Now let's say that yellow Superman is a light wave that is oriented horizontally. So its waves are like moving left and right horizontally. And blue Superman, same color of light, not different colors of light. Like this is all white light made up of different. And we're not separating colors. We're just separating the all the Roy G. Biv, all the colors of the rainbow. Some of them are horizontal, some of them are vertical, and so the blue is going to be vertical oriented. All right. So here comes these waves of light. Red, yellow, orange, violet, blue waves horizontally. Red, yellow, orange, violet, blue waves vertically. And they're all coming at you. We're going to polarize them. So if we put up a grating, then the horizontally oriented ones can get through. And now you're seeing horizontally oriented waves of light. But the vertical ones, they can't get through. They're stuck. They can't go through there. So they just hit that, and then they bounce off, or some of them get absorbed. So now, instead of waves of light that are like this, all over the place, only the ones that can fit through the orientation of the slits in the polarized lens are coming at you now, and so now you're getting polarized light. So what they'll do in sunglasses is they will essentially orient the lens, the waves like this, the slits in the polarized lens like this, so that when light bounces off of a horizontal surface, when light reflects off of a horizontal surface, it reflects, it actually gets polarized to some degree, and it's going to come up at you in the same orientation of that surface. So like, we take a look at my desk here. So if we have all kinds of unpolarized light, the horizontal light that hits here is going to bounce off and come at you horizontally oriented, okay? The vertical light is going to hit here, and actually like some of it's going to reflect off at you horizontally oriented as well. So all of the glare that's reflected off of horizontal car hoods, horizontal water surfaces like lakes and oceans, like you're on a boat, all of that glare that you don't want blinding you is horizontally oriented after reflecting off of that. Bang, right? So what we want to do is we want to polarize the lens so that the horizontal glared light cannot get to you. It's gonna hit here and not get through. And then all of the other light that's not been polarized and is not glare, it can get through. The vertically oriented light can get through. And now you can still see. This is enough light to still see, but you're not gonna get nearly as much of that glare. Hopefully that's helpful, and I love you, buddy, and keep teaching, keep being awesome, keep helping out those kids. Bye, bud.